Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to link Steam to Ubisoft account. Go to the Ubisoft website and click Download Ubisoft Connect in the top right corner. Next, start downloading and wait a few seconds. After downloading, open the Ubisoft setup and select the language. Click Next to agree to the license agreement. Install it and then click Finish. Go to the profile icon in the top right corner. Log into your account by adding credentials or any account. Open Ubisoft application and add credentials to log in. You can click Create Account to create a new one. Enter the date of birth and click Continue. Next, enter the required details, including email address, password, username, and more. Agree to the terms of use and click Create Account. Then enter the verification code sent on the email address. After signing in, you will be directed to the homepage. Go to the username on the left side and select Settings. Go to Others and turn on the account linking option. After that, your account will be linked to Steam. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.